Hello guys, how to fix if USB flash drive not showing up on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your USB flash drive unrecognized in Windows 11 and 10, then here are the fix. First, open device manager of your system and here go to USB section, USB universal serial bus controllers, and here locate your USB driver, device driver, and update your USB universal serial bus controller driver. Right click on it and choose update driver and scan automatically. It will update your driver. The next workaround to fix this issue is assign a new name of your USB driver. Press Win plus C shortcut key to launch Windows Explorer. Here go to this PC and right click your USB drive and choose properties. Here you will see your drive name as shown, drive E. Now change this drive later. Right click on a start button and choose disk management. Here right click on your USB drive and choose change drive later and paths. Simply click on add. Here you will see add a new drive later or path for E is from where it is grayed out. So simply close this feature and click on change. Click on change and assign the following drive later. Click on a small arrow and choose a different drive later for your USB drive and press OK. Some programs that rely on drivers letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? Choose yes and check whether your USB drive showing up or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Now go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key or right click on a start button and choose Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update and update your operating system. Click on check for updates and if any updates available, simply download and install in your system. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of USB drive not showing up on Windows 11 and Windows 10. The next workaround is go to Windows search and open control panel. Type control panel and open control panel in your system. Here go to power option, look for power option, open it, click on it and here choose or customize a power plan. Click on change plan settings from your recommended power plan, change plan settings and change advanced power settings. Click on it and here go to USB settings, expand it and expand USB selective suspend settings and disable both the feature on battery and plugged in. Choose disable and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved and